is pasture-raised eggs. Pasture-raised eggs contain all of the building blocks of life, especially the yolk, which is rich in nutrients that support healthy eyes. Chickens that are raised in open pastures are able to eat a mixture of their regular feed, bits of grass, and small insects, and they're also exposed to more sunshine. This makes the quality of their eggs superior to regular batch hen eggs, which you commonly find in supermarkets. Carotenoids are the bioactive compounds that give egg yolk its deep yellow, orange, or golden color. These are what help to improve the visual pigments in your own eyes when you eat them. Eating 2 pasture-raised eggs per day not only improves your vision, but can also keep your blood sugar stable, improve brain health, and provide you with lots of stable energy through the day.